Okay, to get started on my crust, I've got these ginger snaps cookies I'm going to grind up. I've got parchment paper in the bottom of my pie pan to keep it from sticking. Okay, and then I'm going to put, I just usually eyeball it. I'm going to use about a half a bag. About right there. It's a 16-ounce bag. And then I just hit a little bit more. Okay, and I'm also going to spray my pie pan just a little bit. And then I got my butter melting. That's 4 tablespoons of butter melting for my crust. Okay. I'm going to turn this on. Now I want to add my crumbs to my pie plate. Okay, then you just want to take your crumbs, kind of start mashing them with your really clean hands. And going up on the sides. I like this so much better than using the flour pie crust. It's got so much more flavor for the pumpkin. It's really good. Okay, and then I'll just kind of take this something to mash it down with really good. Just kind of take it around to the edges. Okay, well. Okay, now you just want to set this aside while you make your filling. Make sure the sides are really good. Okay. You can set it in the refrigerator to get it ready for the filling. It'll kind of set up a little bit. Okay, I've got a block of cream cheese softened. And to the cream cheese, I want to add a half a cup of dark brown sugar. Go ahead and add a tablespoon of vanilla. And mix this up, kind of cream it together. Now you can add the rest of the ingredients after you get it creamed together. I've got 2 cups of pumpkin. I got a can of sweetened condensed milk. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 eggs, and then you just mix it up good. Put something underneath this, keep it from sliding. Okay, now it's ready for your pie crust. I'll be right back. Okay, I just want to take it and pour it in the crust. Okay, now you want to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, she's done. Now I'm going to let it cool really good and put it in the refrigerator. Let it set for a few hours, and then I'm going to put whipped cream on it. Looks delicious. I'm just going to add some ready whip to it. Oh, that's so pretty.